When we want to talk about things that happened in the past but don't happen anymore, we can do it by using the construction used to. We can use used to when we want to talk about past states or about repeated actions that happened in the past. Remember that used to is only for past states or actions that don't happen now. We can't use it for things that still happen in the present. We used to live in New York when I was a kid. I used to go swimming every Thursday when I was at school. Or, I used to smoke, but I gave up a few years ago. The negative form is made with didn't used to for all persons, and will make question sentences with did, used to. She didn't used to play basketball when she was little. Or, did they used to go to all their lectures?